I have planted over 24 varieties of irises through the years. Only the 3 or 4 most common varieties bloom. I've tried moving the others to different locations, dug them up to ensure they were not planted too deep, and used Bloom Buster. Plenty of healthy leaves, but no blooms. How do I get my iris to bloom? Help, please. Michael from Chattanooga, Tennessee. Interesting.
Yes.
So Michael tried to do, everything that we talked about to do.
He
So
has.
what else needs to be done, then, you think?
Well, I'm just wondering how much he's fertilizing. Because according to the Iris Society's website, you're really only supposed to fertilize 2 times a year. Once is in the early spring before they start blooming, and once is about a month after they finish blooming. So if you have a bunch of different varieties that bloom slightly different times, you're going to have to, watch your timing on that, the after fertilizer application.
I would agree with that because, the Bloom Buster, you want to just,
How often is he? Because if he's got gorgeous foliage, he could be just, it's getting too much nitrogen somehow and producing too much foliage rather than
the
blooms that you really, really want.
Right.
I hardly ever fertilize my iris. It's a state flower of Tennessee. He's doing the right thing, but definitely avoid the high nitrogen fertilizers. And I know he's, Bloom Boosters usually doesn't have a whole lot of nitrogen in it, but if you're putting it down too much, it could be too much. And you might want to check the pH. pH needs to be 6.8.
Okay.
So he might want to check the pH for that too, and make sure he's getting 6 to 8 hours of sun for full sun location for them.
Okay.
Because all of those things can affect it. So hopefully one of those is a key to getting his iris to bloom again.
All right, and I would agree with that. I think it might be too much. How much is he fertilizing? Because Bloom Buster probably has more phosphorus than nitrogen in it.
Which is good.
How often is he doing that?
Yeah, they don't need that much fertilizer.
Yeah.
They like it here.
They like it here.
They like the soils
State flower.
here. Yeah.
Like it. Hope you enjoyed the video. We would love to get more questions from you. So be sure to leave us some comments.